Good morning, everyone. Today we are making, wait for it, air fryer donuts. Okay. You probably never heard of these before, but I tried it and it's so good. Oh my goodness. Let me show you how good it is and how fast it is to make these sweet treats. Let's get started. All right. So you get jumbo. Let me turn this up a little bit, guys. I'm sorry. It's just cutting my head off. Sorry. Stay with me. You get jumbo Pillsbury biscuits. I got the big ones. I know there's a difference, but they were added jumbo at Publix, so I got the big ones. The recipe calls for jumbo, and I get the buttery, flaky biscuits by Pillsbury. Okay, so what you do is you take them right out of the can, and I flatten it out a little bit, just a little bit. And you're supposed to use a cookie cutter. I don't have a cookie cutter, so you improvise, right? And I have my sprinkles. Take the lid off. And it cuts a hole in it, just like, it takes a little bit longer, but just like a cookie cutter would. Actually, I used the top of my friend's iced tea bottle last night. If you hear anything in the background, my cat just woke up. Sorry. Hear it? All right. So we have our donut hole. Perfect. So you get your air fryer, and I'm going to come around here to the air fryer. Oop. And you want to set your air fryer to 360 degrees. Let it warm up. Open it up. Get some Pam or some cooking spray. Spray inside every donut. Put the donut in there. Then you set it for 5 minutes, and I have it set. Okay. So while it's cooking, you probably about halfway through, maybe my cat's shaking the thing. While it's cooking, you get your butter. I just do a half a stick because I'm only doing one donut, so you don't need a whole lot of butter. Let me scoop by. I know these videos aren't the great quality that you're used to, but it's just me and my camera. If you watch my videos, you know that. So we're going to soften the butter. Put it in the microwave for a couple seconds. And while that's cooking, I want to show you guys this. I got some more of the freeze-dried things I was doing on the Twinkie video. Yeah, I got more. These are freeze-dried funfetti cookies. That's what they look like. They're little just cookie bites. They're really good. Etchy. Freeze-dried stuff's amazing. A little bit more. You also can get your cinnamon and sugar mixture ready. Regular sugar, cinnamon you can get at any grocery store. Mix it up just like you're making cinnamon toast. All right, that's nice and melted. And you can also cook the donut holes if you feel like it. It's pretty much the same thing. You just don't cook them as long as 5 minutes. I would maybe do 2. They're only this big. Okay. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to pop it open. It looks so cute. And we're going to just put some of the melted butter on the donut. I'm using a spoon to do so. Just drizzle it on. You hear the sizzle. Oh, that sounds good, don't it? All right. Take your cinnamon and sugar. You can go to town with this. I do. cover that whole, there's what it looks like so far. Just cover that whole donut with cinnamon sugar. Look, see? Now we're gonna put it back in and let it cook for the last couple minutes. So while that's cooking, I'm just gonna go ahead and pause you right here because no one's gonna want to sit here for 2 minutes and listen to me yap. So we'll be back when it's done. All right, guys, it dinged. That means our donut is done. And let's call is my taste tester out there? Oh, he's waiting on one of my customers. Sorry. All right, so the donut's done. And look at the caramelization that you get. That is cinnamon, sugar, butter. It's delicious. Let's see if I can get my taste tester in here. Let me go get him. All right, well, my taste tester is out there playing drums, so we're going to taste test it ourselves. And here it is. Look how, let's take the donut hole off. There it is. Nice caramelized, cinnamon, sugar, butter. Delicious. It looks delicious. So let's take a bite. Oh my God. It's so good. Little air fried donuts. How cute are those? They're so cute. Oh my goodness. Cinnamony, sugary, flaky, delicious. All right, guys, that was another quick dessert, easy, super easy dessert to do that we did in less than 7 minutes. Okay, I was including the prep time. So, what you need to make air fried donuts are jumbo Pillsbury buttery flaky biscuits, cinnamon, sugar, and some melted butter. And you do that all to how many you're making. Like my air fryer is really small, so I can only make one at a time. So I do like a half a stick of butter, and that's more than plenty. And then your cinnamon sugar, I love cinnamon sugar, so I just dump the whole thing on there that I made. And you want to do about 2.5 minutes. Open it up, apply the butter and cinnamon sugar mixture, back in for the last 2.5 minutes, and you have a delicious air fried donut. All right, guys, that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy these quick, easy desserts. I try to post once a week. It's been a little longer because I've been sick and I'm just starting to feel better. You notice I didn't cough during this video. So we will see you next time for another easy dessert. Have a good day.